Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vegan Tuesday. Today we're going to be cooking a broccoli stir fry with mushroom and some other vegetables. All of the ingredients and spices that I'm going to use is going to be listed in the link below. And don't forget guys, if you're enjoying these videos and you like what you're seeing, make sure you click the notification bell, you subscribe, and you like and you comment. Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, this is all the ingredients that you're going to be needing. Some broccoli, some onion, some green spring onions, ginger, garlic, chili pepper, and I've got here some mushroom with some other mixed chopped vegetables, and tofu, some seasoned for taste, some black pepper, salt, and of course you will need some dark soy sauce. So I'm using this one, and I've also got this one, and you need cornstarch, but if you don't have cornstarch you could use potato starch, because that would make the sauce thick as well. Okay, so let's don't waste time. I'm going straight into it. I've got some water here boiling, and we're going to put the broccoli in there for about 2 minutes. So I'm cooking the broccoli now for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to remove the broccoli. Okay guys, so the broccoli is finished cooking and we're moving on to the next step. So now guys, you need to mix some of your soy sauce into your tofu. So about a teaspoon of each. And you're going to set this aside so you could pick up some flavor and color. So okay guys, you should have some kind of oil. This one I'm using is toasted sesame seed oil, but you could use any oil that don't burn when it's heated up, and I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons. We're going to just leave that to get hot. So the oil is heated. We're going to be frying our garlic and ginger first. And as well as the ginger, you leave that fry for a few minutes, and then we're going to be frying the chili peppers and onion and spring onion as well. So we're going to be frying, and if you smell this scent, it smells so good. It smells like when you're passing one of those wok restaurants. Now we're frying the chilies and the onion. Just some. If you like a lot of onion, you could fry all. I'll just fry all. Now you're going to fry the spring greens. And leave that fry for a bit. Okay, we're going to fry the tofu now. Let's get the cooker on high. We're going to fry it and we're taking it back out because we don't want it soggy. And we're going to save this juice for later. And you just leave it to fry on its own. Okay, so our tofu have been fried, and now we're going to fry the package stir fry. I wash mine. You should just go ahead and give it a good wash so you can fry everything. And for this one, the package said to let them fry for about 4 minutes. So our stir fry, the vegetables from the package is finished, and now we're going to add back in the broccoli because they need cooking a little bit as well. A little bit more. And we're going to leave this for about 4 minutes, just constantly stirring. Okay, so our stir fry is ready for the tofu, and we're going to put the tofu in. And we're going to leave that a little bit for another 2 minutes. While this is cooking, we're going to make a broth, like a paste from the juices from the tofu, and we're going to use some more soy sauce, the same ones from earlier. And some of this. This is the potato starch, just about 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to add some water to it. So the stir fry is now finished, and I'm going to be plating it out with some sticky rice. Just put it on the top. And that is going to be my dinner. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget If you like this video, to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell up there so you know whenever I upload. Bye.